CELTA is notoriously stressful. Google it and you'll find hundreds of people telling you the same thing. It's tough. It's a great course, but it's tough. There's a lot to take on in a short space of time, even if you've got some teaching experience beforehand. On top of this, most people go into the course wanting to get as much out of it as possible. You want to do well, you want to help your learners, and you want the best result for you that you can get at the end too. The best way to do this, as with many things in life, is to prepare beforehand. You can make your CELTA course a lot less stressful and a lot more successful if you're not going into it cold. But what do you need to do? The centre will give you a pre-course task, and this is really useful. But in my 25 years experience as a CELTA tutor and assessor, the main areas that trainees struggle with are a knowledge of grammar, what's a conjunction, what's the present perfect passive, how lessons are planned, including analysing language and creating concept check questions to check learners understand, and knowing what's required. That's what the CELTA package contains. It'll help you to hit the ground running and give you a clear understanding of what you need to do well. I'm Jo Gakonga, and I've designed and delivered this package to give you exactly what you need. You can access the courses whenever and as often and for as long as you like. You'll have lifetime access to them, and they'll support you in the early stages of your career as well as before the CELTA course. You can ask questions as you go along too, if anything isn't clear. All the courses have free introductory units, and I'm so sure you'll like them. I offer a 7-day, no quibble, money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, just say, and I'll give you a full refund. Check it out at ELT Training. There are lots of free resources there to help you too, and I'll see you on the inside.